Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Kozo Creations. Welcome to the no brow zone here in sunny Florida. It's a pretty day, not terribly hot. Didn't get any rain yesterday, so the humidity is down and I am okay with that. I came in here to fiddle. I was looking at some comments on my YouTube channel and somebody commented on a painting I did back in the beginning of my pouring journey about 3 years ago. That turned out to be one of my most favorite swipes. I'll post a link to the video in the description box, but I thought to myself, I think I got all those paints. Why don't we give it another try? Because I truly miss it. It was sold to a very good friend of mine, and Rick had made a beautiful oak frame to put it in, and I miss it. So I figured, you know what? Let's give it a try. Let's give it another go. Now, I am missing one paint from the original pour that I did, but I kind of, faked it and recreated it. And it's a funny story. Our base coat, don't go yuck. Our base coat is right here. Our base coat is Indian Yellow Hue by Golden. Now there's a story behind this. This is a new bottle, but I had another bottle that Golden actually sent me. Golden Paints sent me. It was back when they would give artists free paint samples, and in that box of free paint samples were a lot of little 1 ounce bottles of different paints and small bottles of their medium, but there was a big butt bottle of the Indian Yellow Hue, and I remember looking at it and going, what am I going to do with that? Well, things change over the years, guys. You learn things, you combine different color combinations together. I used to never use red, and Darling Rhett, one of our peeps, would say to me, Kathleen, why don't you ever use red? And I'm like, red, I don't like red. I just don't like it. It's probably my favorite color now to use in a acrylic pour. So that's going to be our base coat, and our other colors are nice colors. This is Artist Loft Soft Body, which I used in the original, and that is their black. Right here is the paint that I kind of had to mix up. It was originally DecoArt, I think Glorious Gold or something like that, or Gold Bronze, and I didn't have it, so I kind of created this. And what I did is I started off with DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Splendid Gold, and then I added a dash or two of the golden fluids in the iridescent bronze, and it still didn't have the same hue to it, so I added just a half a teaspoon or so of the DecoArt in the 24 karat gold, and I came up with a really, really yummy gold. Let's take a look at that, and let's take a look at that consistency. It leaves a little bit of a trace before it disappears into the paint below. Our pouring medium today for all of these paints, including the base coat, is paint in your cup, a dash of Golden Gac 800, stir that into the paint, and then 2.5 to 3 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is 50% strained American Floetrol and 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium, the pouring medium with the black and the gray label. So 1 part paint, big squirt of Gac 800 for good luck, 2.5 to 3 parts of the pouring medium. Where did I end up? Right here. Beautiful color. Golden fluids in the burnt sienna. And right here is golden fluids in the burnt umber light. This bottle of burnt umber I have had since the beginning of my pouring journey 4 years ago. Bought it for 30% off. Guys, these expensive fluid golden paints last a long, long time. You only need this much paint versus a craft paint. And nothing wrong with craft paint. The DecoArt craft paint, I need 1 ounce of it to 2.5 to 3 ounces of pouring medium. So it all works out in the wash, guys. But yeah, that's a pretty color. Yummy, yummy goodness. And this final color right here is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in the Rich Expresso. This used to be one of my most favorite paints, guys. So it's nice to bring it back out again. So I'm going to put my base coat down on this Edge 16 by 16 gallery wrap canvas. My favorite canvas, don't you know? Jerry's Artorama. And then I've got damp paper towels here. I stack about 6 or 8 paper towels on top of each other. I wet the bottom of it with a squeezed bottle of water, flip it over, wet the other side with just a little bit of water, and then I cut them to whatever size I want to use. I think that's it, guys. I'm going to put some music on. I'm going to get jiggy with it. I'm going to see if I can recreate one of my favorite swipes, guys. Thanks for being here. Let's get busy.
I want to do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes.